Hello everyone. Want to keep some Facebook friends hidden from certain people? I'll show you how to do it in just a few easy steps. Let's jump right in. Tap the three lines at the top right corner of your Facebook app. This is your main menu. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Settings. Scroll down a bit until you see Audience and Visibility. Then, tap How people find and contact you. This is where you control who sees what. Look for Who can see your friends list and tap it. Here, tap on Friends Accept. This lets you pick who won't see your friends. Now, select the specific friends you want to hide your friends list from. Once you've picked them, tap Done. Finally, tap Save to lock in your changes. And that's it. You've just hidden your Facebook friends list from those specific people. If this helped you out, please hit the like button. Got questions? Drop a comment below. I'm here to help.